Non-Muslims, come on. Hit me some hard stuff, man. You guys are too easy. Go ahead.
I actually eat pork.
We do not eat pork because first and foremost, Allah forbid it in the Quran. Right? And this is something that was forbidden for Christians and Jews as well. But today, a lot of them do. So there's two aspects of that. First is our Creator knows us better. He knows what's good for us. He knows what's bad for us, right? If you made something, let's say, what's your major?
Kinesiology.
Huh?
Kinesiology.
All right, cool. Let's say you were an engineering major, right? Just for my example, all right? Kinesiology, I don't know what that is even, right? All right. Let's say you were an engineering major, right? And you invented a new type of phone, better than an iPhone, better than Samsung, better than OnePlus, better than all of that, right? You invented a phone that cooks for you and drives you and all of that. That's really cool, right? Amazing new phone, but it's a new technology. Nobody has seen it, nobody knows how it works. You came up with it, right? Would you just take it and be like, hey, here you go, do whatever you want, put it in a microwave, who cares? No, you as the manufacturer, as the designer, as the one who developed it, will say, okay, look, this is how you use it. And I'm gonna send a manual. Whoever buys, like when you buy an iPhone or a Samsung, it comes with a manual, right? How much, like, I don't know if you remember the old iPhones, if it got close to water, it would fall apart, right? So they would have warnings, don't get it close to water, like, don't do this, don't put it in a microwave, don't do this, because as the designer and manufacturer, you know how best to use the device you design. Our Creator, Allah, our God, the one who created, designed us, the one who made us, He knows best how we should live. So pork is something that He knows best that we shouldn't eat, right? And this is in the Old Testament. You will find it in the Bible. In the New Testament, there are no dietary laws, but as we find that Jesus said, I didn't come to do away with the law, right? So we're not talking about Paul or other people afterwards, but from Jesus' own lifestyle, pork was forbidden for Christians or who followed Jesus, peace and blessings be upon Him. Just in the same tradition, Muslims are also not allowed to eat pork. That's why. But now if you want to talk about the wisdoms of it, then I can tell you the wisdom of it. It's really bad for you. If you've ever taken a health class here, I took a health class during my master's program, and we put meat out, like chicken, beef, just as an experiment. The first one to rot before anything and have the worst maggots and things was pork. There's a case in San Diego, a gentleman got a maggot in his brain from eating a pork taco. If you look at any study done, the worst meat is pork, right? No matter how much you cook it and think, it's still bad for you, right? So the Creator knew better that this meat's not good for us, so He made it forbidden for us. But if you want some turkey bacon, I cook you up.